How to create outline text effect in Photoshop. First of all, duplicate the subject layer. Go to Select menu and select Subject. Now apply layer mask on the above layer. Now add the text layer and choose the font which you like. Resize the text layer. Duplicate the text layer. Place one of the text layer between the subject layers. Decrease the fill of the above text layer to 0%. Add stroke to that text layer. And hit OK. Now press Ctrl and select all the text layers. Link the text layers and you are done.